Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. How are ya? Today's video is entitled Acrylic Pouring with Your Neighbor, a North Carolina artist collaboration. I'm very excited to be collabing with Sandra Lett and Garrick Brown, who are both fellow North Carolinians, just like myself. We thought it would be a fun idea to all do a collab together since we all live in the same state. Sandra and Garrick both are very creative and inspiring artists, but more important than that, they are both very kind and helpful people. So I felt very grateful that they asked me to be a part of this collaboration. Please don't forget to check out their videos. I will link both their videos in the description box below, so don't forget to check those out. So for our collaboration, we decided that we're going to all do the same technique and use the same colors. So the technique that we're going to be using is the ribbon pour, and we're going to be doing it on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. The colors we're going to be using, the first one is raw umber, which I will be honest with you guys, I do not use this color very much. It's kind of a cool toned color. So I usually tend more towards warmer tone colors. So I wasn't so sure about this one at first, but then I saw it next to this phthalo blue, which is the second color we're using. And I was like, okay, this is pretty. This might work. The third color is Viridian, which is this really pretty aqua green color here. And then the fourth color is Naples yellow. And I love this color. I use this in a lot of my paintings. You could probably look back through my videos and see it being used quite a bunch. But yeah, that's a pretty color. Hate the smell of it, love the color. I don't know if anybody's noticed, but it has a very pungent aroma. And then of course we're going to be using titanium white. This ribbon pour, I'll be honest, I don't do a lot of ribbon pours. I'm mainly the Dutch pour, Sheely style girl. So this is kind of out of my wheelhouse, but we're going to be doing a ribbon pour with negative space. And I know Sandra was going to use like Tupperware containers for hers, but I have these little dust pan thingies that I think I'm going to try and see. I've never used this before, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to put the paint in the dustpans and then spread it on my canvas. They're a little bigger than what I would like for them to be, at least wider, especially for this size canvas. But we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. With the ribbon pours, especially with the negative space, I think it's important to think about composition, because if you don't, you're going to end up with, you know, kind of a big blob. I also think layering colors is important, or at least, you know, figuring out which colors you want the most of. So for example, this brown is just going to kind of be an accent color. I'm not going to use too much of that. I'm going to concentrate more on the blues being the main colors, and then the yellow and the brown are going to be kind of just some extra accent colors. Alright, you guys. I'm not so sure how I feel about the brown. I was really wanting to like it. But I don't think it works with the other colors. Definitely not with the yellow. But that being said, it's kind of cool. Like, look at these interesting little cells right here. Like, what is that? They almost look like little, I don't know, they don't look like cells. They almost look like little cauliflowers or something. I don't know, but it's really cool. I'm not sure why those popped up. The formula that was used was 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. That's the formula that I used. That's usually my go-to formula for most things, including Dutch pours. But yeah, not bad. I kind of like it. And I'm kind of interested to see if more of these cool little cell things will pop up. But I think I might have had the water a little bit too thin, maybe, or the paint a little too thin. Maybe next time not add quite so much water. But yeah, for my first go at a ribbon pour, I think this is pretty awesome. I'm very interested to see what Sandra and Garrick come up with. Please check out their videos. I will link them down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I know it's a little bit different from what I normally do with videos. Normally I don't talk, I just show the process and put music to it. So it was fun being able to talk with you guys. Again, don't forget to check out Sandra and Garrick's videos. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to see other people, other YouTubers doing this type of collab, you know, with other people in your home state. It's a lot of fun, and you get to meet new people that don't live too far away from you. Again, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one.